Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Is your kid a Paw Patrol fan? Here's a look how a simple vanilla cake could transform into a Paw Patrol birthday cake. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 3 cups of flour. Always sift the flour to avoid lumps. 2.5 teaspoon baking powder. In the mixer, add 4 eggs. Beat well. Add 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Mix well. Add 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix well. Two-third cup of oil or butter, and mix again. Add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients and continue mixing. 2/3 cup of milk at room temperature. Add the remaining dry ingredients and mix well. Add half teaspoon salt. Take 2 24cm cake pans. Grease the pan with butter and keep a butter paper on the bottom. Pour the cake batter till half of the pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Check if the cake is baked by inserting a toothpick or a knife. For the Paw Patrol cake, before pouring in the cake pan, divide the batter in 3 portions and add a different color, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, orange, to each portion of the batter. Since it's only 1/3 of the batter, the baking time will be less. Mount the colored cake layers in the same order of Paw Patrol theme song, with Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Zuma, Rocky, Sky. Apply frosting in between the layers. Complete the frosting on the top and sides. Cover the cake with blue fondant and decorate the sides of the cake with fondant Mighty Pups figures. Place the Paw Patrol lookout on top of the cake. Awesome Paw Patrol rainbow cake in delicious vanilla flavor is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.